Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Apollonia and today I'm going to be reviewing another tool in this Revlon series. Today I will be reviewing the 4-piece Hot Air Kit Perfect Style Revlon tool. This 2-in-1 device dries and styles the hair. It has ionic technology to help fight frizz and also has 3 times the ceramic coating to help reduce heat damage. So this is the wand and it comes with 3 interchangeable pieces. The first piece is a 1-inch brush that can be used to create waves and soft curls. The second piece is a 1.5-inch brush to create added volume. And the third piece is a concentrated nozzle for precise airflow on your hair. To insert the brush, you simply connect it and there is a release to make sure that it's locked in place. So right now you heard the click. To take it out, you press the release button and unhook it. Just like the other Revlon tools, there are 3 heat settings. There's a high, a low, and a cool setting. Today I want to use the 1.5-inch brush since it is the larger size and I want to see the results and how quickly this one dries my hair. So I have already went ahead and shampooed and conditioned my hair. I have also applied my heat protectant, which I use today, the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Blow Dry Cream, and of course my Perfect Hair Day Living Proof Spray. So now I want to start drying the hair. So as per the instructions, it says to use this tool on slightly damp to drier hair, not soaking wet hair. So right now my hair is a little bit damp. I'm going to be using smaller sections since this brush is smaller than the one-step styler. I'm also going to be setting a timer to see how long it takes for me to dry and style my hair with this tool today. So this is the noise level for the cool heat setting. This is the noise level for the low heat setting. And this is the noise level for the high heat setting. Okay, so I'm starting my timer now. So it took me 2 minutes and 43 seconds to dry this little section of hair. Honestly, I thought that my hair was gonna get snagged in the bristles, but it actually glided through my hair pretty well. I created a little bit of a curl at the end. So I guess in order for me to use it on my texture hair, which is 3C-4A texture hair, I have to use small sections, which is not that bad. So now I'm gonna go ahead and continue to dry the rest of my hair. Hey everyone, so this side of my hair is done. It took me 15 minutes and 34 seconds to complete. I was able to bump the ends of my hair a little bit, but I think the results are interesting because I really wasn't expecting the bristles to glide through my hair as easily as they did. I really thought that my hair was going to get snagged. Alright, so now I'm going to do the second half of my hair. Okay guys, so my hair is dry. I just want to follow up now by using a cool shot just to set the hair. It took me approximately 34 minutes and 13 seconds to completely dry my entire head of hair. And honestly, I must say that I am pleasantly surprised because one, I thought that the bristles were going to get snagged in my hair and I was going to have to stop the video. So the bristles did not get caught in my hair. However, it did pull a little bit of hair out and I want to show you. If you can see, there's some hair caught in there, but unlike the one-step dryer and styler version, my hair didn't physically get caught in it. Also, keep in mind that my hair texture is 3C-4A, so it's a little bit on the curlier, coily side. So if you have straighter hair or if you have 4C, thicker hair, your results, of course, are going to vary. I purchased this dryer from Amazon for $22, so if you're looking for something on the cheaper side, this may be a good purchase for you. Also, something to take into consideration when you're using this, you're not supposed to change the barrels while it's on and while it's hot. It's just common sense that you wouldn't want to touch this while it's still burning up. You would want to wait till it's off and cool so that you can change from this barrel to either the concentrated nozzle or to the smaller brush. Earlier, when I was checking the airflow of the device, I noticed that the air is more concentrated toward the tip of the brush, meaning that it's not evenly distributed throughout the device, making it harder for an even blow dry. You can see that the air flows upward and is more toward the tip rather than in the middle of the brush where you want it to be. Also, it was hard to hold on to this wand, I guess because it's new for me and I'm not used to it. I wasn't able to grip it the way that I felt like I wanted to when I was trying to style my hair. So for my hair texture, I don't typically use a hair dryer as a styling tool. I would rather use a flat iron because I get better results. For me, a dryer and a brush would just basically dry my hair, not style it. So depending on your hair texture, like I said, you will get different results. Some people will find that using this type of tool will help also style their hair to create beachy waves or curls. For me, this will basically just dry my hair and I could create like a soft bump at the ends, but it's not going to curl style my hair. So I want to thank you all so much for tuning in and listening to my review of the Revlon 4-piece hot air kit. As always, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, and you can also leave a comment below. And until next time, bye!